Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're diving into an essential gardening skill: harvesting and storing vegetable seeds for next season. Saving seeds from your current crops is a great way to preserve your favorite varieties and ensure a bountiful garden year after year. First, choose the best plants for seed saving. Look for healthy, vigorous plants that have produced high-quality fruits or vegetables. These plants are more likely to pass on desirable traits to the next generation. Next, let's harvest the seeds. Here's how to collect seeds from some common vegetables. Scoop out the seeds in gel from a ripe tomato. Place them in a jar with a little water and let them ferment for a few days. Rinse and dry the seeds thoroughly before storing. Cut open a fully ripe pepper and remove the seeds. Spread them out on a paper towel to dry. Allow cucumbers to turn yellow on the vine before harvesting. Scoop out the seeds, rinse them, and let them dry. Allow the pods to dry on the plant until they are brown and brittle. Shell the seeds and store them. Cleaning and drying seeds is crucial to prevent mold and ensure long-term storage. First, remove any remaining pulp or debris from the seeds. Then, spread them out on a paper towel or screen and let them air dry in a cool, dry place. This process can take several days to a week, depending on the seed type. Proper storage is key to maintaining seed viability. Once your seeds are completely dry, store them in labeled envelopes or small containers. Keep them in a cool, dark, and dry place, such as a pantry or refrigerator. Make sure to label each container with the seed type and date of harvest. By harvesting and storing your own seeds, you'll be ready for a productive garden next season. It's a rewarding process that connects you more deeply with your garden. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!